Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are getting the updates for Windows 11 24H2 for the bug fixes, or what they call update previews. So if you go to your Windows Update, you should be getting the KB5052093, which is the cumulative update preview for Windows 11 24H2. It is, of course, something that you don't have to go and check because you can ignore it and it'll install when Patch Tuesday arrives. One of the reasons I kind of say that is in the past few months there have been some of these that have been problematic, and so they usually fix the issue from the time of release to the Patch Tuesday updates. It, of course, is that's the funny part, is in my case, it shows up on all of my PCs, but funny thing is that it didn't show on my main PC that I use to make the videos. So I took a screenshot of my gaming laptop, which got the update here. That's why it's a screenshot here for KB5052093. So if you don't see it, it could be normal. Maybe there's something that is not right for the hardware I got. I don't know. But anyways, as long as Patch Tuesday installs, it's going to be okay. This fixes and improves a few things. There's kind of 33 different little things that are fixed and that are also kind of tweaked. One is the long-standing issue that breaks SSH connections on some PCs after installing the October 2024 cumulative updates. It improves the File Explorer performance and addresses several bugs when entering URLs in the address bar, just like 23H2 had this problem too. It fixes a known issue that causes the audio volume to sometimes jump to 100% when your PC is waking up from a sleep. So it fixes that, and various other USB audio issues that people can have. And of course, it adds a few things for on the PC itself. It also fixes a remote desktop that stops responding. The drag and drop function that doesn't work properly when moving objects like files and so on. Fixes some not recognized scanners when it's actually you plug in your scanner and for some reason it just doesn't work. And of course there's a few other things like the Game Pass and all sorts of things like that. So that's what it does. If you don't really need it, like I said, you don't have to get it, and you can just move on to whatever and wait until the Patch Tuesday installs them automatically in the month of March. So this is for the bug fixes for February 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.